As we previously mentioned in the last video, Klarna offers customers the service of paying later for their purchases. Additionally, it seeks to transform how payments are made when purchasing products online, providing shoppers with the option to pay for their purchases using credit. Next, we will explain how to make payments on credit with Klarna. You can pay in 3 equal installments. When Klarna is chosen as your payment method, the option to pay in 3 installments becomes available, and the first payment is deducted from your credit or debit card immediately upon customer order confirmation. The second payment is then deducted 1 month after the initial payment, and the third payment is deducted 2 months after the initial payment. Klarna also sends out notifications to customers via email or text messages, typically 2 days before their payment due date. Payment in 4 equal installments. This payment method is widely adopted by major American brands as it significantly boosts their sales figures. After the customer selects the option to pay in 4 installments, the payment schedule and costs are displayed. Once the customer's order is processed, Klarna pays the seller the full amount up front and is responsible for collecting payments from the customer. Payments are made every 2 weeks using this method, and there is no interest. Monthly financing. Klarna provides monthly financing through WebBank, spanning from 6 to 36 months, to facilitate smoother transactions for bigger purchases. Monthly financing means that the cost of your purchase is distributed into equal monthly installments with a variable interest rate. This is done by selecting the monthly financing option when making your initial payment. You will be prompted to apply for a Klarna account, and upon approval of your application, Klarna will establish your customer account. Subsequently, each instance a customer makes a purchase utilizing monthly financing, the corresponding amount is appended to their Klarna account. Payments to Klarna can be made either via the Klarna website or through the Klarna app on your mobile device. And all your payment information is securely processed by Klarna. Payment for online purchases can be made using a debit or credit card. For in-store purchases, customers can generate a digital card within the Klarna application and seamlessly integrate it into their Google or Apple Wallet. This enables quick and easy payments with just a single tap. Customers can also get a clear overview of their purchases and manage all their payments directly within the Klarna app. Settle your monthly financing by enabling automatic payment. This ensures your statements are paid on time. Payment is always processed through the Klarna app, and it's done by following these simple steps. For instance, we will discover how to use the Klarna card for payment within the Wish app. When you enter the app, you will find the flag displayed on the left side. Choose your country from the flag icon and type in the email address that you have associated with your Wish application account. A message will be sent to the email address you entered. If you directly access the link, the program will open from the beginning, requiring you to re-enter your email. Therefore, click the link in your email, right-click, and select Copy Link. Then, go to your browser and paste the link. It will immediately display an item from Wish that you need to pay for. Tapping on it reveals the price and shipping expenses. Click the link provided to proceed with payment. It will ask for your name, then choose to connect with your bank account. Enter your bank account's IBAN, and you can choose to pay either in installments or pay immediately. In conclusion, we sincerely hope this video has successfully addressed all your inquiries concerning deferred payments. For Klarna, you can also refer to our previous video to find out how to register and acquire your card.